It's been one full year with the white seats in our Tesla Model Y, and after 25,000 kilometers, countless road trips, dogs in the car, even wearing blue jeans, and now a newborn baby, how have they been holding up? So the seats are actually pretty durable. That vegan leather material means that you can really easily just wipe things off. And the good thing about them being white is that you notice anytime that there is something on the seat, so you can kind of attend to it pretty quickly. And I think that's probably the first tip, is to just stay on top of it. Try and clean them when you do notice there's something on the seats. The only small issues we've had with staining and marking has been denim. So you might remember a while back, Paige got a black denim secondhand jacket from the op shop, and it left quite a big smear of like black denim staining on the back side of the seat. And that was a little bit challenging to get off, and it did scare me because I was genuinely worried that that wouldn't come off. But it did, and it saved the relationship, which is great. The other thing is blue denim jeans. You've kind of got to be on top of that. If you're wearing blue denim all the time, you might start to notice on the edge of the seats that there's like a blue tinge that rubs off, and it does come off just as long as you kind of stay on top of it. I think if you were to wear blue denim for a year and never wipe your seats, you'd probably leave some staining. This side cushion here is the only thing that's susceptible to wear, which is not just a white interior thing. You're going to get this on a lot of cars, but yeah, it's just got some wrinkles, I guess you'd call it, through here. Not super obvious, but something to keep in mind just from getting in and out of the car. But yes, so many people do not order the white interior, even though they love the look of it, but out of a fear and an assumption that they'll never be able to keep these seats clean and that they're going to stain them and mark them and it's going to be a nightmare, when in fact that certainly hasn't been the case for us or anyone I've spoken to with the white interior. I think hands down, when it comes to wear and tear, people have not had an issue. I love the look of the white, but I could never do it, not with kids, not with dogs. I mean, the other day I ate a beetroot salad in the car for lunch, and you could never do that with the white seats. I've got the baby wipes just in case, although I'm 99.9% confident this will be fine. Stain my fingers, not the seats. So when it comes to the cleaning, there's only been a few occasions where we've physically wiped the seats down, and most of the time that's been for content. So very low maintenance, but when you do notice they need a clean, you just give them a wipe down. Now, we've been using this Jay Leno Garage interior detailer spray, which works really well, but it smells like chemicals. And now that the baby's here, it's time to get rid of that. And Tesla just recommend in the manual to use warm soapy water and a microfiber cloth. And that is actually what works best. It requires a little bit more effort because you've got to go fill up a bucket or something, but it works super well to just clean off the seats. When it comes to vacuuming, again, you're going to notice when there's crumbs and dirt within the crevices of those seats. So you can just pull out the Dyson and give it a quick once over. I also got sent this white silicone cup holder, which I didn't think I was going to be a fan of. They also have a grey one that matches in with the center console, but this kind of goes with the white seats and it's growing on me. And it's much more practical to put coffee cups and stuff in this. It keeps it snug. So yeah, let me know what you think. Do you kind of like the look of these? I've not normally been a fan. I also did a video about a year and a half ago on the white seats, and I've had multiple people say that this helped influence their decision to get the white interior. So if you haven't seen it, check that one out as well. So yeah, I think all in all, no matter your situation, if you've got kids, you got dogs, you got all sorts of different scenarios, I do really think the white seats are worth it because they make the interior of the cabin feel more premium, feel lighter, more airy. They obviously look more impressive and futuristic. I mean, I could go on about the benefits of the white interior because I've been in other Teslas with the black interior and I instantly noticed the difference. We are starting to see some potential upgrades out of the Shanghai factory for the interior trim of the Model Y. So keep your eyes peeled for that. Hopefully that drops soon. There's some nice little changes like ambient lighting. They've also removed the wood trim in the black interior option, which I think is a great move. I've never been a massive fan of that wood trim. It just doesn't feel like a Tesla type of thing to do. It feels more like a BMW type of thing. So yeah, Tesla making some moves on that front. But yeah, I think anyone that's contemplating the white interior, hopefully this video speaks to you. Don't be afraid, it's worth it. And especially now that they've lowered the cost. Anyway, hope this video has been useful. I'll catch you guys soon in the next one.